Okay, this is Silane test number 1. This is the crude magnesium silicide. This is 10% hydrochloric acid. That's popping. I'm fairly sure this is working. Okay, I'm starting to smell a small amount of chlorine gas being produced. So I'm fairly sure we're just breaking it down into hydrogen chlorine, which is a little annoying. But I guess at least a small part of it is silane, because there was quite a lot of popping at the start. I didn't actually measure anything out, so it could be all completely wrong ratios. But I think it starts. I think it's actually worked. That's quite good.